Very good morning. I am happy to state that Medicover Hospital have launched a home healthcare app. These days you must be seeing, doctor appointment is very, very difficult. So no, you book your tickets through Book My Show and all, but doctors are not available. So we thought, okay, while our patients is in the hospital, we take good care of them. But when they go home discharge, nobody is there to take care of them. So we thought we'll launch an app where a patient can access and they can book doctor consultation from home, and after they going home they struggle with pharmacy, they also struggle with lab. So we thought through this app they can book the pharmacy, our team will go there and deliver the medicine at home. They'll also do the diagnostics because after the patient is discharged they require to come to the hospital for a follow-up. This help will bridge the gap between the patient and the hospital. So this is here to stay and we are taking care of patient while they're at home. So we have created a home healthcare team which include physiotherapists, which include pharmacists, which also includes our delivery boys. So these people will go to their homes after the call is logged in the call center, and they'll go home and serve the patient at their home. So that they're at home, they're not coming to the hospital. They'll only be coming to the hospital when there is a critical disease is there. So this help will take care of the patient while at home. So they can book the ambulance, which is a part of this Medicover app. An ambulance will be there within 10 minutes time, right from the placing of the call and going to their home. It is a 24/7 services, including our call center, which is part of a Medicover hospital, 24/7. We give multi-specialty services, but major focus is given to cardiology or orthopedic, any brain hemorrhage, any radiotherapy, any radiation therapy patient. This will be a prime services which patient require a urgent help and they cannot wait at home. So these services are priority. However, other services can be given on an appointment basis. There is a new second wave of COVID is coming back to India. If you see state like Maharashtra, Gujarat and Karnataka, it has come. But I think this is a small time only. I think India is managing COVID very well, and with the help of this second wave which is coming in some of the cities and states, I think we are better off. People are concerned, they are using masks, we are doing social distancing, and now foremost important, our senior citizen, our doctors, our COVID warriors already vaccinated. So I doubt we will have a second wave in the state of in Andhra and Telangana, but I am sure if at all a second sporadic wave will come, our hospitals are now geared because they have taken care of first wave very well. Hospital beds are there, we have ventilator, we have a PPE kits, we can able to manage it well. But I advise and I say, please use your masks and do a 2-meter social distance. It is always the key. Now mask is a part of your cell phone. You keep your cell phone while going out, so please keep masks in your pocket while you're going and meet your friends. Reason is that now I think for the past few months and weeks, people are thinking COVID wave has gone. COVID is here to stay for some more time. But I think till herd immunity is not developed, I think vaccine, I personally get my antibiotic checked. So normally antibiotic should be 12. I have reached 40. That means herd immunity is there in the community. But if we are not bothered after taking vaccine, we don't follow the rules, I think COVID will again come back and it will spread in the country as fast as possible. But I am sure Indians are superhumans. I have seen the Western world is not managing COVID well. But here in this country, 135 crore people, we are managing very well. So I doubt second wave will come in a big way in India. But we are here to stay. Hospital staff is charged and they're not treating COVID patient in a bad way. We are treating very well. But however, we have to wear the mask one more year. I think that is a major mantra we should take care of. Same treatment, don't come to the hospital when it is indicated. You can manage COVID while at home only. But whenever you got a critical care, this app will be useful. You book an appointment on the call, doctors will be available virtually, and if at all you require ICU facility, we got more than 200 beds and 100 ventilators. You can come and take a care in the hospital, and we are here to take care of our patients.